Hey you guys, so I'm not gonna show my face because it's a hot mess, but I want to show you guys what I've been doing. I have been using my head, you guys. So I'm gonna bring you guys in today, and we're gonna have this okay, you guys. So I'm gonna Cricut Design Space, and this is just a cup that I did yesterday. That was the that I did yesterday. And here is that tumbler right here. Yeah, this is the one I did yesterday for a customer. So the one I have to do today, for a little girl, we're going to use name. And you guys, I turned my dining room into a whole warehouse, you guys. It was a mess in here. So let's get started. Got a whole new blank canvas. And this little girl's name that I'm doing today, her middle name, and it is Irene. Okay, and I'm gonna find her a font. Hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Somewhere else to go. Maybe I need some space. Read it and delete it. Maybe I need some space. Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind.